While it's far from being complex, the process of updating and running a script in Blender's text editor, the little ritual of clicking resolve and reload and play, really starts getting strenuous with all those extra little clicks. That's why I created this simple script that improves upon the process. The script has just one button that updates the script, resolves conflicts, and runs it all in one click. If the button's not red, it'll run just as in default Blender. Another little annoyance was that there was no easy way of clearing the terminal, an indispensable tool for testing and development. To make the text editor even more user-friendly, I've added some additional features to the script. First, I've included a clear terminal option, which empties the terminal every time you run the script. Additionally, I've added the print name and print time buttons, which displays the script's name and the time that it was run. Finally, I've added print finished, which leaves an indication of when a script has finished setting up. All of these features work together to create a smoother, more efficient experience in the text editor. While small and slick this script may be, there's no doubt that it's improved my experience with Blender's text editor, and my mind rests easy knowing that your journey too shall be smooth in its own way with this add-on in hand.